morning, beautiful majestic unicorns. It's 5:30 in the morning. What is going on? Like, I'm gonna have to give myself a stern talking to. Oh man. Hopefully y'all are sleeping longer than I'm sleeping. I hope I do, because I'm sure I'm not sleeping very good just because of surgery tomorrow, nerves, that kind of thing. At least that's what I'm hoping. Alright. Y'all have a great day. Thumbs up, comment, and smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you all in just a little bit. Hi, welcome back to my channel, Majestic Unicorn Dreams. Majestic Misty, right here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be majestic with me. This is a mashup because I need it to be posted today, so there's no confusion. I am going tomorrow morning. I have to be at the hospital at 6:15. My surgery is scheduled for 8. They've slotted 2 hours, so hopefully it doesn't take more than 2 hours. And there's a little bit of time in recovery. I have to spend a little bit more time in recovery due to one of my medications. They need to watch a few things before they send me home. I think it's natural to be nervous. Emotional. All those things. It's a natural thing. So I'm just I'm allowing myself to feel exactly what I feel. And hopefully that will help me push through those emotions. I showered, washed my hair again, put it in the knot, but I have to shower in the morning with special soap that you don't put on your face. Well, now, see, here's my thing, is I'm supposed to wash myself with this special soap. If it ain't good enough for my face, why is it going on my body and on my hoo-ha and my... If it's not good for my face, I really don't think I want it around my hoo-ha either. But anywho, so I'll wash my hair again. Actually, I just rinse it and put in some leave-in conditioner. Put it back up in this knot. Because I won't be able to shower because I'll have stitches and whatnot. So it'll be a couple days before I can shower. And that's basically it. So, this is a mashup of yesterday. Yesterday, Monday, and today, Tuesday, and tomorrow is Wednesday the 21st. And then I will be caught up into real time again. And that's it. So yeah. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I love each and every one of you, and I will see you soon.